Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer audio from ElevenLabs to CapCut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you add professional voiceovers to your CapCut video projects. So first, you will have to generate your voice audio in ElevenLabs and download the audio file in MP3 or RAW format. Then you will open your CapCut and create a new project, and you will then click audio, which is right here. And what you will have to do is click import, and next you will have to select your downloaded 11 Labs audio file and add it to the timeline. Then you will be able to adjust the placement, trim, or edit as needed to sync with your video. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.